What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 4. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we got a client in the chair. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. So today I wanted to do a slick back. I thought when I originally started cutting his hair, I suggested we do a slick back. But he always wants to buzz it. This is what his mustache is looking like. I think he looks like Mario. A lot of his friends even suggested that idea. That's where I got this video idea from. So this is the before. So since he doesn't get his haircut frequently, we're just gonna buzz it. He likes his haircut short with a simple fade to fit his head shape. If I were to do it my way, I probably would have slicked it back and kept it longer. But his head shape is square and it kind of does puff out on the sides. So we're gonna do like a mid fade. So I'm taking his top down right now. We're just gonna buzz it. So this is my 3-guard open. I'm using it on the sides. And for the top, we're gonna start with our 5-guard closed, just to check what that length is like under that. His hair does cut a little patchy since he does have Asian hair. Asian hair is a little tricky when you're cutting it with guards because some spots can appear lighter than the other ones. So we're gonna run our 5 through his whole head first. And now we're gonna switch to the 4. For some reason, I lost my 4-guard for like the clippers I was just using, my calibers, so I just had to use my masters. After that, we're gonna start the fade. The fade's gonna be simple. We're not gonna do any C-cups. We're gonna try and fit his head shape. So as you can see, his head shape is very square and the top of it is round. So when you're giving your clients haircuts, you wanna suggest to them a haircut that's gonna fit their head shape and that's gonna solve, the issue. So we're setting our guideline with our caliber clippers, and our lever is fully closed. Now I'm gonna open up my lever and I'm gonna go up 1 inch. What this is doing, we're just creating the fade from the bottom up. Next step, you're gonna do the same exact thing with your 1-guard open. And he has a scar right here. I just revealed it right there. So right under that, we're gonna just close our lever. And when you're dealing with a client with a scar, if it doesn't hurt them, because most times it won't, just treat it as if it's not there. Just ignore it. Complete the fade as if it wasn't there. Now we have our 3-guard and the lever is fully closed. Then I switch to my 2. This is a very simple haircut because you're fading into a specific length on top. So since we're fading into a 4, highest guard you really need to use is a 3. My lever is fully closed with my 2 right now. And now I grab my 1.5 guard. And I started with it open and now it's closed. So to get that top guideline out, I'm just gonna open and close my lever with my 1. And now I'm gonna grab my 0. And we're gonna get out that middle guideline. I start with my lever halfway. And as I move up, I open it. And as I go down, I close it. Final step to this fade, I'm gonna start with my lever 3/4 of the way. Since we didn't set it in with our bald trimmers, we're just gonna go ahead and knock the line out. So I start closed and I gradually open it as I move up. And I'm just doing some detail work. And as you can see, it's blended. It's easy. So once the entire fade around the head is complete, I suggest just grabbing your detail clippers and just touching up the fade all around. So for the hairline, if you notice his hairline in the middle, it's very dense, but on the sides, it's normal. It's not thin, but it's normal. But in the middle, it's extremely dense. So we started with our 2-guard, and now we have our 3-guard just to fade into that 4 up top. And he has a strong widow's peak. So we are going to push that part back and then connect it to his natural hairline. And I like to tell everyone, every haircut is a pushback. You just have to consult with your clients. This client doesn't like his peak. Like, we could have lined it up naturally, but then it wouldn't be straight. I do have a lot of clients that prefer it extremely natural. I'm definitely gonna make a video on it soon. Now this side of his lineup was a little bit thinner, so we're gonna go ahead and enhance it. But we're not putting too much enhancement on his widow's peak since that part is dense. You just wanna match it up. Remember, the key is to solve your client's problems. Now we're just gonna go ahead and bald everything out under that. So now we're gonna take care of this Mario mustache. It's ridiculous. So he definitely needed it trimmed. I'm just gonna take my one guard with my caliber clippers, go against the grain just to ensure that it's even. And then we're gonna shape it up. I like to start with the bottom and then move right onto the top. Sometimes I do it in sections. In this case, I did it in a section. And now instead of using a razor, we're just gonna use our shavers, because if you notice, he had those different crevices on his forehead. So a razor wouldn't be smart, because then you're more likely to cut the skin when there's crevices and lumps. So we just took our shavers and now we're just detailing the fade with our 2-guard. This is how my client came in. And this is how he's leaving. Let's check out another angle. So with clients, I definitely suggest that you give your professional opinion. I definitely think a slick back would have looked nice, but I think this haircut still does fit him. And remember, he just wanted a low maintenance haircut. So that's the before and this is the after. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.